So I'm about to make a Oreo cheesecake today, y'all. So I'm going to start off first with 36 Oreos. I'm going to pull them apart, separate the cream, and put the chocolate cookies in here, and then I'm going to grind them up. Then I'm going to put some melted butter in there, grind it up again, and then I'm going to put it into a spring foam. So watch me work. So I'm gonna get my gloves on because I am doing a cake for somebody else, not my family. So washed hands, clean gloves, and let's get ready. Okay, y'all. I have insomnia. I've been having insomnia for about, dang, a while now. Like on and off. Like I'll be up until like 6 or 7 in the morning, and then like a few days ago I slept like almost the whole day. So I'm gonna demonstrate a few before I speed it up. So I'm just gonna put it in there. So 36 of these, y'all. This is gonna be the crust. And then after I do that, I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350. And I'm gonna bake it for 10 minutes while I work on the filling. I'm just gonna do that till we get to 36. You ready back? Okay, so now I have my 36 cookies separated from the cream. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get the butter. So the melted butter, I'm gonna go ahead and pour that over on the cookies. And then we're just gonna blend until we make that crust. So go ahead and snap this close. I don't know if I need this. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on anyway. And then we're going to go ahead and set. It's not blended. I probably should have ground the cookies up first, then pour the butter in there, but let's see how it turns out. Okay. Smells a little bit, but to that. Now we're going to put the lining in the spring foam pan, and then I'm going to put the cookies in there and press it down. And then next I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it can cool down a little bit before I put it in the oven to bake for about 10 minutes while I make the filling. Okay, so I have the parchment paper in there. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Take the top off. All that in there. Okay, so now you can get a cup, measuring cup, to pack it in, kind of medium wise, not too hard. Okay, so now that I have it packed down firmly, but not too firm, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to work on the filling. So we're going to do 3 sticks of softened cream cheese, and then we're going to do 1 cup of sugar. I'll be right back. So then we're going to mix it till it's well combined, and then next we're going to add in our eggs and our sour cream. So we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And then we're going to add in 1/2 cup of sour cream. I'm going to mix that. Don't whip it too much. And then next we're going to add in our eggs. We're going to add in 3 whole eggs and then 1/2 egg. Just the egg. We have 3 eggs and then a yolk. I'm going to do 1 at a time. So next I'm going to do 12 Oreos chopped into quarters, and then next I'm going to grind up 12 Oreos for the filling. I'm going to alternate in layers. then once that's combined, I'm going to pour the first layer into the cookie crust, and then I'm going to put some of the chunks of Oreos in there, and then I'm going to layer it with the filling again, and then we're going to end with the filling at the top. And we're going to bake at 350 for 30 minutes, and then we're going to cut it off and let it sit in the oven for 30 minutes, and then we'll take it out. Okay, so I'm going to pour some of that in there, smooth it out. Oops, some of the filling to fall into it. I'm going to get some cookies. Smooth it out again. Cover these cookies. Final layer. Get every little last drop. Alright, time to put it in the oven. For what the recipe said, you can put it in a water bath, or you can just leave it on the baking sheet, since it's going to be 2 different baking settings. See y'all later. It's done.